The child is born in Manitoba, unlike other province where there is a provision of online birth registration. Currently, there is no online birth registration which can be done in Manitoba. It is still work in progress. So while the online birth registration is not available, birth registration is mandatory. Here detail is given on if the baby is born in hospital, how this registration can be done, and if the baby is born at home, registration can be done. What is more important is the baby name. Make sure you give correct baby name at the time of registry, because any error with the baby name after the registry is done is a legal process. So make sure you don't make any mistake. Also, if you are planning to apply for baby's Canada passport, you have to remember that once the birth registration is done, you need to get a long form birth certificate, which again takes time. It could take 6 to 8 weeks. And after you get this birth certificate, you will be applying for Canada passport. So a lot of parents, they are not aware of this long form, and once the registry is done, they get the birth certificate. When they go with the application to Passport Canada, that's when they realize that long form is what was required. So make sure you're applying for long form birth certificate. And this long form birth certificate, when you go along with the passport application, will be handed over to the Passport Canada staff, who will keep that with them. They don't give that back to you. So remember that. I've made a detailed video on how to apply for Canada passport and what all documents are required step by step. That way you will have ease of filing for this Canada passport for the newborn. And in case you have association with India and you want to apply for OCI of newborn, then I've made a separate video step by step how you can do this error free. So do check that out. I've shared all the relevant links in the description below, where you can go and find this in a organized manner. Also, I have arranged this in my website where you can find your topic of interest.